Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will have a walkthrough on how to write a program that will display employees information using the principles of encapsulation in C++ programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. So let's begin. So line number 1 and 3 we have your library file. In C++, IO string for input output, string for string manipulation, IO manip. So for input output manipulator. So line number 5 we declare a class name employee and then we have a private variable name, ID and salary. So name will be string, ID will be integer. When we say integer, it consists only with positive, negative number, there are no decimal places. Whereas when we say salary and then the data type is double, there is a decimal place. Public, we have here constructor initialize employees attributes or parameters. So we have emp name, emp ID and salary. So line number 19 up to 25 method to display employees information. So the title is employees information using encapsulation in C++, employees name, employees ID and salary. Line number 27 to 32 method to give raise or to increase the salary of the employee. So void give raise, double raise amount, whatever the amount it is, it will accumulate with this operator salary plus equals raise amount. So it will be add. So Philippine peso fix set precision 2. So the set precision to decimal places, this belongs to our IO manip. And then int main, it is the starting point of every C++ program. We create an object employee. In this example, we have here Leslie Pipito. And then we have here 2002. And then the yearly salary is 60,412.34. So we display the information. And then after the raise, we change it to 7,135.45 to the employee. So it will display the employee's information here with emp display info return 0 return to our operating system right curly bracket to close. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Let us go to build and run. So we have here employees information using encapsulation in C++. We have here Leslie Pipito, employee's name. Employee's ID is 2002. So the salary is 60,412.34 with a raise of 7,135. It will become 67,547.79. Leslie Pipito 2000 to the ID. Okay, that's it guys. Now this is the end of our tutorial video on employees information using encapsulation in C++ programming language. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.